Welcome children. I told you that polynomial can be classified as classified in based on their terms as well as in their based on their degrees. Suppose if the polynomial has degree 1, then it is called as linear polynomial. If it is degree 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, then it is called as cubic polynomial. If degree 4, that is called as biquadratic polynomial. Then if the term is 1, ஒரே term, whatever degree is no problem. If only one term is there, then it is called as monomial. If it has 2 terms, then it is called as binomial, and if it is 3 terms, then it is called as trinomial. We'll see example for this kind of things. Suppose consider this same example itself. 7x square y minus 7xy plus 10xy square. So consider this. So we can classify this based on their terms as well as based on their degrees. If we classify this expression based on their terms, then the name of this is what? In the polynomial எடுத்துக்கிறோம், terms பார்க்குறோம். termsனா என்னது? degree பார்க்கவே தேவையில்லை. So need not to worry about the degree, that is power. Only terms. So we know how to check the terms. Plus symbol and minus symbol, between that the way numbers are called terms. So it has 1, 2, 3. How many terms are there in this? We have 3 terms. So if there are 3 terms in a polynomial, then it is called as trinomial. Therefore, this is called as trinomial. So same thing, same expression we are going to take. We are going to classify depends upon their degree. So we want to check the degree. What is the degree? Degree in the sense we want to check the power. If there are 2 or more variables are there in a term, we want to add the power. So add 2 plus 2 is 4. Here no power, then we can make it as 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 plus 2 is 3. 4, 2, 3. Among this, which is the greatest value? Greatest value is 4. Therefore degree is 4. If degree is 4, the name of the polynomial is degree 4. Then the name of this polynomial is biquadratic polynomial. So we can classify a polynomial depends upon their degree as well as depends upon their terms. Now we are going to see like terms and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. Like in the sense same, similar, same thing. Unlike means it is not same, that's all. We can take the same expression. So everything is full of xy, 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 xy. But again, here we have the way in this term the power of x is 2 and the power of y is 2. ரெண்டுக்குமே 2 பவர் இருக்குது. வேறு எங்கேயாவது 2 ரெண்டோட பவரும் 2 இருக்கான்னு பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ if same thing is coming, then it is called as like term. Otherwise it is unlike term. So let me give you a few example, and we can classify this as like and unlike terms. So like terms, like term in the sense variable, everything need not to worry about the coefficient, only variable, the power also should be same. 7x 7x. So only x is there, that also power is 1. Check any other variable, any other term which has x alone. Then 14x. Where எங்கயாவது x மட்டும் இருக்கிறது இருக்கா? So nothing. So 7x and 14x are like terms. This is one. And one more same thing is check is minus 13xy. X and y, for both x as well as y, only power is 1. So check the same variable is coming, any other variable is there like this. Here xy is there, but power is, for x power is 2, so it is not like term. Here the power of x is 1, but y is 2, so it is not also like term. Here, so this is 5xy. Here power is 2, y is 1, so it will not come. Here z is there, so it is not a like term. Only these two are like terms. Then check for the other one. We did this, and this got over. The next one is 5x square y. Anything is coming like 5x square y. 5x square y. Then x square y. X square y வேற எங்கேயாவது இருக்கா? இல்லை, that's all. So then x y square. No other variable called x y square, so only one term is there. And the last one is minus 3xyz. Only one term which has three alphabets, that is x y z. So like this we can classify the terms as their like terms and unlike terms. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.